My name is 𝗵𝗧𝗧. I'm studying 10th class and I'm proud to represent my school 𝗧𝗦𝗔𝗧 𝗚𝗧 in 𝗬𝗏 district. So today's our topic is drug addiction and it is also the path of distraction. So let's begin with a wonderful slogan. Drug is not a cool, it's make you fool. So remember it, drugs addiction is not our personal problem. It is also a societal epidemic. It traps individuals as a cycle of misery, destroys families, weakens nation. So today I will cover its impacts, causes, government efforts, as a role of as a student in combating these means. Causes of drug usage. The drug usage steams curiosity, pressure, and it causes a desire to stress and personal struggle, family broken, and it's easy access to make a problem worse. So what I want to say that if it is only one life, it is only one chance. So say no to drugs, say yes to life. That's all. Second, impacts of health and well-being. Impacts of health drug is so many students are addicted to drugs. It is also heartbroken news, and where so many organizations we organize to reject the drug usage. So here physically it damages our heart, our mind and our liver, and it's mentally brings depression, anxiety, and finally suicidal thoughts. Now what are the good efforts of government? Let's see. So first of all, I thanks to government. Why? Because government organize so many organizations and take actions. So like Prahari Club. Prahari Club in school level, it's about to know drugs simplicity of students. Now conclusion. To conclude, that is choose life, reject drugs. Thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity.